The Charlemagne Initiative is created by a group of people working here in the European institutions in Brussels and also in some associations and lobbies related to the EU that would like to give more information and more understanding to EU policymakings and EU citizens and European citizens on the process that is leaving Catalonia. As you well know, the Catalan government intends to hold a referendum next year, 2014, on the independence of Catalonia, and we would like to explain, monitor, and give added value to the discussion for European citizens to be more aware of what are the reasons behind the push for independence, what is the will of Catalonia to remain in the European Union, and how are we going to do it in a democratic and pacific way and peaceful way. So we invite you to come to our webpage, where you will find a lot of articles in English, in French and other languages, as well as into our seminars that we're going to organize in the coming months here in Brussels. We hope that you join us.